In this video, we break down 4 shocking body cam arrests where moms put their kids at risk drunk driving crashes.
Yeah, I need to talk to you.
You better don't touch me.
Listen, ma'am.
Please don't arrest me.
Failed sobriety tests,
2009, 2010, 2012.
All right, you could stop.
hiding drugs in a diaper bag,
I'm not gonna take her.
and shoplifting with a baby.
This is hers right there. I mean, that's over $100 right there.
I mean, I did get some stuff, but I paid for everything that I got.
Don't miss the intense confrontations in the video right now. Arguing with a terrible attitude,
Started moving forward, and all of a sudden that other driver swerved left and hit her.
ignorant behaviors,
What were you drinking? Beer or liquor or
No, not.
what?
this Karen committed DUI, not to mention her kids inside the car. Officer Hayes questions a witness. She describes the offending car abruptly swerving left and hitting the victim's vehicle before parking illegally nearby.
That's my green car right there. I was
Okay.
not involved in the accident. I just witnessed it.
Okay.
And I parked illegally over there, so
That's
please don't
okay.
give me a ticket, okay?
What did you see?
Okay, I was the second car at that behind that light.
Okay. At a
This
red light?
driver was in the center-ish lane. The
Okay.
driver, she's parked right around the corner, was in the right lane. I thought she was going to pull into Garfield. Started moving forward, and all of a sudden that other driver swerved left and hit her.
Swerved into your car?
And-
Okay. We'll get going here. Why don't you step on over here? I'm gonna go talk to the other driver. Just sit right there. I'll be right back. So they're going this way. She's in the center lane, and the witness says this lady thinking she's going to Garfield just abruptly turns. I don't know if this might be her. I don't know. I don't know what the So they're going westbound, and the lady's in the center lane going straight. And she said that the car just veered right into the side of her. It was weird.
Where was she going?
She was going westbound on Detroit. So
And that car was in the middle lane to turn the other way, and then just
yeah, it would just
right over.
it went like sideswiped her in the same direction. So I don't know if this is. Were you involved in an accident? Were you driving? Yeah. No. Okay. Thank you. And she won't answer. Yeah. And she doesn't know what's going on.
The officer calls the other driver, who provides her license plate. However, she has already left the scene, making it a hit-and-run incident.
Hello?
Hi, it's Investigator Hayes. Hello?
I'm sorry, what?
Hi, it's the police officer you just spoke with. I went down Cohasset and the other car's not here, so you've got a little bit of a problem. Do you have the license plate? Do you remember it?
Yes. Listen, it's hers, H-E-R-S. You know what, I wrote it down. And then there's a number, I think it's 14, but let me look and make sure. Hang on.
Okay. What kind of car was it?
I knew you were going to ask me that. Yeah,
a
hers,
color?
H-E-R-S space 14.
Okay.
Some kind of an SUV type thing.
Okay.
You know, there was a small kid in the car with a backpack. I kind of think she was about to turn in Garfield.
Okay.
And then for some strange reason, suddenly changed her mind.
You drinking beer or liquor or
No, not.
what? Liquor? What kind of liquor? Like
It was a MXC.
a mixed drink? Okay. Any illegal drugs or anything? Like
No, never
Okay.
did that.
How long? What time did you start drinking?
I'm sorry. Okay.
It's all right. Take your time.
I had a drink.
You had a drink?
The officer administers the walk-and-turn field sobriety test. The suspect attempts to follow instructions, taking 9 heel-to-toe steps down and back.
So I'm going to have you put your hands onto your side, keep your feet together, okay? Stand heel to toe, just like that. Keep your hands onto your side, and don't move until I tell you to, okay? For this test, I'm going to have you take 9 heel to toe. Actually, can you go ahead and put your right foot in front of your left, like this, heel to toe? There you go. All right, stay in that position until I tell you to start, okay? When I tell you to start, I'm gonna have you take 9 heel-to-toe steps, okay? Looking down at your toe, keep your hands on your side and counting out loud, okay? Like this. 1, 2, 3, and so forth, all the way to 9. Once you get to 9, keep your lead foot on the ground. You're gonna take a series of small steps like so, and then take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Okay. Okay, just keep your hands down to your sides there. And you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back, counting out loud while keeping your eyes on your feet, okay? Does that make sense?
I'm sorry, say that again. I just had to mention it more. I didn't hear that.
Okay. Yep, just go ahead and keep your hands on your sides for me. All right. You're going to stand heel-to-toe like you are, okay? When I tell you to start, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, okay? Looking down at your toe, counting out loud, okay? Like this. 1, 2, 3, and so forth, all the way to 9. Once you get to 9, you're going to keep your lead foot planted on the ground. You're going to take a series of small steps like so. And you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Does that make sense? Don't start until I tell you to. And look down at your toe there, okay? Look down at your toe. Now imagine there's a solid line, straight line that goes all the way down the sidewalk. I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on that line, okay?
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012.
All right, you could stop. All right.
The officer places the suspect under arrest for OVI. She is handcuffed, placed in the police vehicle, and subsequently read her Miranda rights by the officer.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, prod me, stick me, hurt me, or anything like that? Go ahead and look to your left for me. Yeah, we already have her ID. She had two kids in the car. All right, I'm gonna read you something here first, okay? Can you confirm your first and last name for me? How do you pronounce your last name? All right, Diamond. Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to an attorney for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have him or her with you during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without an attorney present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to an attorney.
Horrible result
I need to talk to you about this crash, okay?
was because of this woman.
What are you gonna do? Just do it. Just do it.
This drunk Karen failed her duty as a mother.
Wait. It's not gonna use my phone. Let me use my phone and smoke a cigarette.
If you don't need it, I'll get you some right now.
On the 18th of December, 2024, the police had to handle a severe DUI incident. An officer arrives, makes initial contact with the disoriented driver, and discovers her distressed 5-year-old son in the messy vehicle.
Ooh, you have ID, ma'am? Registration, this is your car?
No, I don't.
You okay, baby? You okay?
Fine.
No? What's wrong? Are you okay?
No.
What's wrong?
Papi's car wheel fall down my big car.
You hurt? You hurt?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to step outside here, okay?
Yes,
baby? No, you stay here. You stay there. Can I have the keys to the car, please? Thank you. What's your name?
Look, I just went home.
Huh?
He called out.
Mm-hmm. Come on here.
Please, my baby.
That's your mom? She's your mom?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
The officer ensures the child's immediate safety. The mother evades questions about relatives and becomes emotional as paramedics arrive and begin assessment while she holds her son.
Come here, stand here, stand here. Come here with me. Any grandma, auntie that we can call? We have a grandma, auntie to call for baby, for him. We need to. Honor mom. Can we have a relative come and get him? Because now we're gonna be.
I don't have any relatives.
Okay, so he's gonna go to.
Please,
then he's gonna go to.
let him come home with me.
No. What's his date of birth?
There's the Apollo. He wants to beat me.
What's the date of birth? If you don't give us a name for somebody to come pick him up.
I'm taking my baby home.
No, you're not.
Somebody else has got to come get him. It's not really.
Give us a name so we can call. A name and a phone number, please.
Where do you live at?
Give me my son.
You're not gonna.
I'm gonna go home.
You're not gonna have that.
I'm not gonna drive
You're not.
anymore.
No.
That's definitely not gonna happen.
We have to wait for a
What are
double
you gonna
date.
do? Call DCF?
Well, no, we want somebody to come get him. We don't want to have to do that.
Please.
Leopoldo, how old is Leopoldo?
He's 5 years old. He's
Okay,
a baby.
what's the date of birth?
Is his mama.
Is Alaska coming this way?
Yes.
I made a mistake. I'm sorry.
But my gun's not working.
It's scary, huh? Scary?
Sorry.
Huh?
I made a mistake.
You want no scary? All those bumps, all the bumps around? No scary?
Give me a little boy. Come here, handsome.
Come on. We gotta check his blood pressure first, okay, Mom? 1 second.
They're gonna check him out. Just relax, okay?
Get him to look. Take care.
Should I take the baby home?
Not yet, ma'am. Not yet.
Ma'am, have him sit right here, okay? Because this officer's
Yeah, I need
doing the crash
to talk to you.
investigation.
I need to talk to you about these crash, okay?
Can I take the baby home?
You cannot right now.
I put him in his bed. I roll him and cover him. And
Okay, we need to talk, ma'am. Can you leave it? See the
Here, he's gonna call me.
he
I'm gonna give
don't
him some
want to go
stickers.
without me.
No, we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna show him some stickers on my car. I got some stuff for him, okay?
I already got some.
No, come on. I got cooler ones than that. Let's go over here.
After the vodka bottle discovery, seen by the officer earlier, the mother is formally assessed. She struggles significantly with the horizontal gaze nystagmus. Eye, sobriety test, showing clear impairment.
Come over here. Don't follow me, please.
Don't want to go without
He'll be
me.
fine. He'll be fine. He'll be fine. He'll be fine. Listen up, ma'am.
Go
He'll be
without
fine.
me.
He'll be fine. Okay, he's not
Please.
going anywhere. He's not going anywhere. Are you okay? Can you?
My son doesn't want to go anywhere without
He'll
me.
be fine. Okay, listen to me. Okay, then without
¿Quieres darme abrazo?
No. Don't. Hey,
Don't touch
ma'am.
me.
Wait. You're gonna be arrested. Okay.
You better don't touch me.
Listen, ma'am.
You wanna be kind
I'm
to me?
investigating and DUI. Okay. I have nothing to do with the crash. Okay.
I'm not gonna get a deal. What
You are.
crash? I didn't hit any
You crashed
car.
into a couple vehicles, couple mailboxes on the road. I'm investigating the DUI on you. Okay.
Look, I didn't have nothing to do with no DUI.
Okay. Are you willing to perform any close for me or no?
What about my little boy?
He's right there.
He's in
He'll
the.
be fine. He's in the AC, getting cool stickers, some drink or something. But I need you to be here, okay? Focus on me, okay? Or no?
Okay.
Don't. Where are you going?
Okay.
Where are you
I
going?
said okay.
Okay.
Let me sit down and make sure.
You cannot sit down. Nah. You wanna get your
Okay,
sandals off?
dame
No,
brazo.
no, brazo.
Give me a hug.
No, how? Go too high. You make you unstable. Can you step right in front of me, please? Without touching. Don't do that yet. You're gonna keep your feet together like this, like I'm doing right now. Hands by your side. Not like that. You're by your sides. Pointing down, like I'm right now.
What, are you gonna take me to jail?
No, I'm trying to help you out with the UI. Maybe you're not drunk. Maybe you are. Who knows? Do you suffer any eye problems? Do you use glasses for reading?
Yes, I wear
Yes?
contact lenses to
Okay,
see.
you got contact lenses right now?
Yeah, so I can see.
Can you see right now?
Barely.
Okay, barely. Why is that?
Because I wear contact lenses.
Okay, so you don't have it on you?
Yes, they're in my eyes.
Oh, okay.
You see?
What? That's one of the contact lenses. Why are you taking them off?
Showing you.
Can you put it back on? You're gonna lose it. You're gonna miss it. Oh no, it's not on the floor. It's
What, you want to take me to jail?
Can you stand up for me, please?
Hold on a second, please. You want to take me to jail?
Are you willing to
You're a
perform
policeman,
the
officer.
Where you going, man?
All right, I'm gonna sit down. Okay, calm down.
I'm calming down.
I'm calm down. I'm not going anywhere.
Are you willing to perform the road signs? Yes or no?
Tell me what you want me to do.
I want you to stay put.
Okay, let me
right
put
in
my
front of
shoes
me.
on. Calm down, sir. Why do you want to take me to jail?
Because it looks like you are on the influence of alcohol. I think it's gonna be worse for you. The sound is way too high. I cannot. I'm not gonna give you a hand.
Hold my hand. Okay, hold my
I don't
hand.
think it's gonna help you out.
You are a bad police
Look
officer.
my fingers. Can you see my finger?
Yes, I can. Okay, let me put my pants up.
Yes, you can. I want you to stay put right in front of me.
Okay.
Hands by your side. Can you see my eye? Yes?
Yes.
This is what I want you to do. Listen to me. Listen very carefully.
I'm listening. Give me a minute. I'm listening.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna follow the tip of your finger.
With your eyes and eyes only, right?
Okay.
Without moving your head.
Let's do it.
All right. Good. You okay?
Tonight's not a good night, but I will follow it.
The mother is arrested, handcuffed, and placed in the patrol car amidst protests. The scene transitions to the station, highlighting impending charges.
That I want you to do, okay?
Okay.
You're
the boss.
Are you willing to take the sandals off so you don't lose your balance?
Yes.
Don't move, okay? Don't move a hair. Okay, you're gonna place your left foot like this, okay? Then you're gonna place your right foot in front of your left foot like this.
Like this?
No, like this. Touching heel to toe.
Like this or like this?
Like that. Because I'm gonna explain you the rest of the exercise of the task, okay?
Obviously today's not a good day.
No, why not? Miss Queen, you're gonna count 12 paces like this. Ma'am, are you...
Can you stay with me?
This is what I want you to do.
Right,
Don't
what
do
about
it right
that?
now.
Is that okay?
That's it's not okay, but that's not too bad.
No. You're gonna take me to jail.
No, I'm not gonna take you to jail.
You're gonna take me to jail.
What do you think?
You're gonna take me to jail.
Why?
Because I'm drunk.
Oh, you're drunk? You
and
think
you're
drunk?
Take my baby away.
Nobody's gonna take your baby away. So, you gonna keep going or no? Miss Queen? So, I'm gonna let him know. Alright, let's do this.
I can't do it.
You can't do it? Okay, you wanna try a different one?
You're gonna take my baby away.
Nobody's gonna take your baby away.
You're gonna take my baby away.
No, I'm not gonna take your baby away. Nobody's gonna take your baby away. Listen to me for the second one, okay?
You're gonna take me to jail, aren't you?
I want you to step just like camera right here. I don't know.
Please don't.
You're making it hard.
Please don't.
Hands by your
Please
sides.
don't take me to jail.
Stay
if I pass this test, you let me drive away?
You're not gonna drive no more.
I can walk away.
You cannot walk away. As for now.
What are you gonna do? Just do it. Just do it.
Just turn around for me, please. Turn around. Look that way, okay? Open up your arms like if you're gonna fly a plane. Stand it up and bend over for me, please.
Oh, it's fucking course.
That's okay.
Okay, do it easy.
It's easy. I can do it much easier than that.
What about my little boy?
It'll be fine.
Stop! Don't arrest me, please. Can I smoke a cigarette, please? Can I put my shoes on?
Okay, you can.
Be kind.
I'm kind. Okay. Put it on.
Be a human.
I'm a human.
What about my little boy?
It's in the cop's car.
What, are you going to arrest me now?
Yes,
now I go to jail?
Under arrest. Yes, ma'am. You are.
Why?
Because you crashed a couple vehicles. You are under the influence of alcohol. You have drink a lot.
Be kind.
We're being kind.
Be kind.
We're being kind.
You're not. Please don't arrest me.
You'll be fine.
Please don't arrest me. Wait. Hey, you said I can use my phone.
Yeah.
Let me use my phone and smoke a
If
cigarette.
you don't need it, I'll get you some right now.
My son!
Yeah, I'll get it for you right now. Okay?
Please don't arrest me.
It's a give and take. You give, I take, and I'll tell you give.
Please don't arrest me. You're causing problems in my life.
You'll be fine, man. Okay. All right.
Please don't. Please don't. Be careful. Please.
Suspicious behaviors,
I'm gonna talk to her. You wanna grab your baby?
uncanny evidence. But this mother used her baby to hide illegal things.
Exactly. It's in your car. If you're in control of a vehicle, you're responsible.
On the 27th of June, 2023, officers approached a suspicious vehicle. Occupants claim car trouble. Ashton, the male passenger, is questioned about a cut straw. Idahos are requested, and he's asked to step out.
Hello. Hey, you guys stay here?
No, my car's just running hot, so I parked to let it cool off.
Okay. The residents that live here are calling about y'all.
I'm sorry, I can move. I just let my car cool off.
Okay, you guys got IDs on you?
I don't, sir. Left my wallet at the house.
Okay. What do you have a cut straw in your hand for?
Cut straw.
Mm-hmm.
I just found it, sir.
Okay. Who's in the back? Does she have an ID? You got an ID on you? Okay. What's your name, my man?
Ashton,
And your date of birth?
2004.
Okay. What's your name, ma'am? Haley? And your date of birth?
I can pop my hood and show you.
How old's the baby?
It'll be 5 months.
No, you're fine. Ash, step out and talk to me real quick. You can close your door.
Well, I kind of
Step
want to
over
leave
here
it
for me.
open for the baby.
Okay.
That's okay.
Here, right here. You got anything else on you?
No, sir.
Put your hands on the car. You got any on you?
No, sir.
In the
No,
vehicle?
sir. No, sir.
Why is there a cut straw in your hand?
It's not my car, sir. It's brown up.
So you're just holding a cut straw that's normally used for using some sort of narcotic in your hand?
I don't know what you're referring to, sir.
Okay.
Officer questions Hayden, female passenger, about drugs in the cut straw. She denies knowledge and gives consent to search the car. Haley, mother, also denies drug presence.
They're used for some sort of ingesting some sort of narcotic. Okay. The fact that he has a cut straw in his left hand as soon as I walk up and he tries to hide it when I ask him about it, kind of suspicious. Yeah, leads me to believe there's some sort of narcotics either on him or in this vehicle. Am I going to find anything in this vehicle? Okay. All right, you can step out for me. Whose baby is that? Is that her baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just lift your shirt up just a little bit for me so I make sure you have nothing in your waistband. Okay. No, you're good. Oh, you can step back there. So you said it's just running hot? Okay. Can you step out for me? You know of any in this vehicle? This vehicle, am I going to find anything that you know of? Okay. Is there a reason that Ashton had a cut straw in his hand? You don't know. Who normally drives this car? You do?
Yes.
Okay. Who normally rides with you?
My brother sometimes.
Who uses drugs? There's another cut straw on the floor, so I'm asking. There's a red one on the floor. Okay. We're not going to find anything? All right. Y'all stand by with this officer.
The officer begins searching the vehicle, discovering aluminum foil on Ashton's seat, multiple cut straws of various colors, a loose pill, and more foil before focusing on the diaper bag.
Pill. You have a lot of cut straws in here. There's a lot. There's also a pill in the passenger side.
My brother chews on him, but
Why is he chewing on burnt straws?
I understand what they call. No, it's driving. It's just
Hey, let me talk to you real quick. Why do you have a on your diaper bag?
That shouldn't have anything in my diaper bag.
Okay, so there's in your diaper bag. There's 3 pieces of burnt aluminum foil inside of one of them at least.
There shouldn't be anything in the diaper
Who is it?
bag.
Who would it be if it's not yours? Because it was tucked in one of the pockets, and then the other 2 aluminum foils are at the bottom, under all the diapers.
I mean, I don't know. I don't do drugs. I mean, I breastfeed my son. I go to the clinic, the methadone clinic. So there shouldn't be anything in the diaper bag.
Do you use any drugs?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
Why are your people so small?
I just took methadone earlier today. I go every day. I have to be there. I go.
Okay, well, I mean, if you want to see, some of it fell on the ground, but it's definitely. Did you see it?
Yeah, I see that.
Like I said, it's in your diaper bag.
I mean, I don't use.
Ashton is informed of his warrant from Jackson County and is arrested. Officers discuss the situation, noting the fentanyl, Xanax, and the presence of the baby, deciding implications.
We're calling Jackson County now to see if they want you or not, okay? How old are you, Jackson?
19.
What traffic violation did you commit that you got put on probation?
DUI? Speeding.
Oh.
I just got a DUI. I'm out on bond.
Well, that's why. If you just got arrested, then you violated probation.
I didn't know that, sir.
Maybe get my car. Hey, man, how come there's a Xanax? There was a Xanax on your seat.
I didn't know that, sir. That's not mine.
Okay. So you got a bunch of cut straws, you got burnt aluminum foil, all in your seat compartment. And you were holding a cut straw in your hand.
It was a bad time to pick it up, sir.
Why'd you try to hide it when I asked you about it?
I didn't try to hide it.
You put your thumb over it as soon as I asked you about it.
That's just my reflex.
Okay, go ahead and get in. I'm still debating if I should charge you for the things I found in the vehicle. You know, this is a controlled substance in the state of Georgia. It's a felony.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you call somebody? Go ahead and call somebody just in case. Whoever you can, just in case. So she has a warrant as well. Who can take care of your child besides you? Is there anybody that can? Who do you live with? Okay, who do you live with?
I live with a family friend. His name is Dave in Jefferson. We just moved. My grandma sold her house because she has cancer. So we moved down the street from her house. It's 17 Tyler Circle, but it's in the same neighborhood.
So nobody can feed your child, nobody can do anything with your child.
I breastfeed my kid. I never gave him anything else. So
I got you.
I don't know what to do.
I'm not going to take her.
We'll do our best to work with you. I mean, depending, every circumstance is different. So yours is a special one with that baby there.
Yeah, I might just.
Yeah.
And I'll do whatever I have to do.
74 Central. If you don't mind, if you've already sent the hit for the Haley subject, just calling Jackson County and letting them know that she's got child care issues. A 4-month-old child that's breastfed. I'm not going to be taking her if they want her. Clean your car out. No, not right now, but there's this thing's. There is trash everywhere. I mean, not trash. There's related objects everywhere. Yeah, that's for us. If you don't do, your car sure does look like somebody in your vehicle uses drugs. Okay, there's burnt cut straws, burnt aluminum foil. There's in the back.
I will speak to my brother about this.
Let's get smoked out of this.
What do I have to do? What do I need to do? Or in Jackson County, what do I need to do?
What you need to do is call Jackson County, let them know what's going on, let them know you have a warrant, and get that figured out.
Do I call my probation officer?
Are you on probation? Are you? Is it a warrant for? Are you on probation for that, or are you?
No, I mean, I had a traffic ticket. I never paid for it. And
What are you on probation for?
Not a good look for you.
Yes, sir. I'll go clean that.
I'm gonna let you know right now. If we
Any other circumstances, you'd probably be going to jail. All three of y'all would be going to jail for the possession of the controlled substance for that. Okay. I'll be taking all of it. Claim it. It's in your vehicle. It's accessible to everybody. Everyone will be going. Okay. So.
Over something that's not even.
Yeah, exactly. It's in your car. If you're in control of a vehicle, you're responsible for everything in your vehicle and everyone in your vehicle. Okay. All right. They're good.
I really don't think he has.
Where's his phone at?
He was sitting there.
He was. Okay. All right. Y'all be safe, okay? I'm gonna give him his phone.
Can I say bye to him or?
The window's open if you want to talk to him through the window. They're both open. Yeah, I'm not taking her. Bro. What?
Oh, it's a walking PC. You are lucky to have that big.
All right, we're gonna be walking to that door right there, okay? You ever been to the Clark County Jail before?
No, sir.
All right, stop.
Terrible attitudes,
What's he wearing? Do you know?
Black shirt and shorts.
Black shirt. What color shorts? You know?
ignorant, and uncooperative.
But I didn't put them in my car, so I don't know. My husband did, but I didn't put it in the car.
This terrible mother was irresponsible to realize that it's too late to change her situation in front of the police. On the 27th of June, 2023, a light-skinned black woman stole over $100 in goods, candles, soap, and body wash, while with a man and an infant not in a car seat.
Candles, you had merchandise on the bottom of it, walked straight out the doors, not saying.
Bold. Okay, was she in a vehicle, do we know, or anything? Was she driving or somebody else? Okay, yeah, if we can pull up the camera, that'd be great. Are y'all familiar with her at all?
Yeah, she comes in here a lot.
A lot, okay.
This is hers right there.
Okay. I'm assuming y'all want to press charges?
Yes.
Okay.
And they did not have the infant in a car seat. He was just holding the baby in the front seat.
Gotcha. And you would assume...
Police locate the woman at her home. She admits being at the store but denies stealing, claiming she only bought drinks and chips. She gives confusing statements about her husband's whereabouts.
Today, he went around the back and I need to go around the back.
We have contact with her. All right, what's her date of birth?
So she just paid for those two things, right?
Yeah.
That's all I saw up there too. So
she put it out with me too and then walked out the door
with the rest. Gotcha. Okay.
So they called us about somebody at the dollar store with that vehicle.
I was up there earlier today, way earlier today.
Way earlier today.
Yes, sir.
What's your boyfriend's name or your husband?
His name is Tyrell.
Where's he at? He's inside?
No, sir. He's up the street.
What's Tyrell's last name and his date of birth?
92.
Okay. There's nobody else inside. You just told me, I asked if you were home alone and you said you were with your husband.
Well, you asked me who stayed here. My husband.
Oh, so he's not inside?
No, sir, he's not.
Okay. Did y'all take anything from the dollar store?
No, I didn't take anything. I bought the workers chips and drinks. And I paid for my daughter's
Officers confront her with surveillance evidence. She insists she didn't steal, says her husband may have taken the merchandise, and consents to a car search. Nothing is found in the vehicle.
Your baby's very cute.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Really adorable. Did your boyfriend stay, or husband, excuse me, does he stay around here? Or is he just out for a walk?
He's just out for a walk.
Gotcha, okay.
85. I sent you a text with a picture of her.
Simple, that's her.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Yeah, I was up there earlier, but I didn't take anything.
Didn't take nothing? Okay. Like.
Thank you.
Oh my God, is that where the police were?
We're bored.
Huh?
Bored. Just kidding with you. No, we came by just because we were nearby, so that's the reason why we're here.
I haven't read her or anything. I don't know if you want to.
What's going on in Belgium?
Well, I went out there from chips and drinks from the store right down the street.
Who you waiting for the house? Alright, stay on. The issue is we got you on. Okay. What was that? Where's all that stuff that you pushed out?
Pushed out the door?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Video cameras don't lie, okay?
No video don't lie.
Okay. So you paid for 2 items, correct?
No. My receipt, they still have my
Yeah, they have it. You only pay for a few items, 2 or 3 items. So there's a laundry list of other stuff in that yellow cart you pushed out in your car.
laundry list.
As in there was several items, a bunch of items in the cart you pushed out to the car.
But I didn't put them in my car, so I don't know. My husband did it. I didn't put it in the car, and I didn't put nothing in there.
So where did they go?
Sir, I promise you, I had the cart. I'm not gonna lie to you. I had the cart, but I didn't push. I pushed the cart out with my stuff in there. What I had in there was my drinks and my chips, which I told him that what I got earlier. But I don't know what was under the cart or in the cart besides what I got out of the cart. Now my husband,
Off that sound.
you heard what I said. What was in the cart? I got what I got out the cart. What I paid for.
But you were seen pushing the cart out. Multiple items in it that you did not pay for.
And what was the multiple items in there? Because I don't know what he put in the cart.
Candles, you're seeing in the video putting stuff in the cart.
Putting it in
And
the
then
cart.
you walk out there.
It was
So
some
please be
candles.
honest with me
It was some
about
candles.
what's going on.
It was some candles in there, but I thought she had run the candles up.
So you put a couple items up on there, and then you make no effort to put any of the other items in the cart up. And then you walk out. So can we stop with the,
She tries to shift the blame to her husband, repeatedly lying about his location. Officers suspect he is hiding in the house despite her denials.
But honestly, can I talk to her and let her know that?
She's not the one that's pressing the charges.
Yeah, it's the store itself.
What you mean?
The store is the victim. The company is pressing charges against you, not her.
Can't go to jail. Shoplifting is deep in this.
You've been locked up for shoplifting before? You got any felonies, anything like that?
I have a payment charge.
Or
Aggravated assault.
that should disqualify from PAD?
Disqualified for what?
It's a program that we use sometimes for shoplifting.
What's the program? That I won't be locked up?
Yeah, you don't qualify for it.
But he didn't steal anything. Like y'all saying he pushed it out. He didn't.
He was with you.
He knew what was going on.
Yeah, he was party to the crime.
No, he didn't do anything. He didn't know anything. If I pushed it out, he had nothing to do.
Do you have
Grandmother?
grandmother?
He said he must have loaded it
Yeah,
up.
I just don't know.
Alright, hold tight. We're going inside with you.
See, y'all don't have a warrant. You can hold my baby, but I'm not going.
We're in here, going inside. That's simple. Okay.
Rochelle, can
The
I
only
use
reason
your
you're not
phone?
in handcuffs, son, is because you have the child in your arms, okay? You understand that? I think everybody's inside.
I swear
Oh,
to
I'm
God,
sure.
I swear to God, my husband was wrong.
Where's the
No.
search?
Okay, police at my house. And I just go about the dollar thing. About the other thing. I'm about to go to jail. I need you to come get me out. Okay.
Oh, somebody needs to get the baby. That's what I need to search. Get the baby, okay.
Oh, almost. Dang. Mom, what
Don't fall, don't fall.
They saying, okay, I have some counters in my budget of my cart, and she didn't leave them up, so I'm going to jail for her not leaving.
Oh, we have a party to a problem.
And they trying to lock Hood up, and he didn't do anything at all. Mom. Oh, nieces. Mom.
I've been calling to your phone.
Mom,
You been calling me? Yes. I'm calling you 6 times.
So running my mouth. Go across the street, go get a cigarette.
You
That's what somebody was going. What's going on in my house? What Hood? They talking about they trying to get Hood to him. He ain't did a damn thing. What is it? We went walking somewhere.
one thing.
Call the bun company. I guess they got the book. But call the bun company. Which bun we got.
No, you're good.
You guys not one time?
Yeah, you
My money is on my credit card. I'm about to lock my house up so I can use the credit card. Go to Giant Guns and see how much they charge.
What you charge with?
Give it to Ricky, call Ricky, because they won't let me get my phone. They're talking about they want to come in my house and they won't let me get my phone, so I can call Ricky.
Oh, can she replicate that?
What you going to jail for? What you charge with?
Shoplifting.
And so what's your bond with?
What my
I don't know. We don't. We have to call it to the sheriff's office. We don't set that.
probably 150. I ain't never been locked up.
Take my number, put my number in your hand.
In a court of law, you have the right to talk to a lawyer. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Even if you don't want a lawyer now and agree to talk with us, you can at any time change your mind and ask for a lawyer or stop talking with us. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
I do.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now? Okay.
Go load her up in our car. Falcon.
Lock my door. I gotta make sure
Yeah,
she lock my door.
no, you're fine, yeah.
We're gonna be walking over this way. You want to make sure she's locking it?
Yeah.
All right.
Hold on, get her a diaper. Get her. No, mind her daddy should be home, but okay.
We're gonna take a little walk. It's way over here.
Way over well.
Just over that way, past the trees.
Okay.
Not too far. And I do have to search you. I'm gonna use the back of my hands, just so you're aware. I do have a camera on.
But my husband didn't know he didn't know anything, right?
Yeah. So the whole. Who is that?
Holler on Facebook.
What's her name?
Yeah. And tell my husband they looking for him, but he ain't did nothing.
All right.
She expresses anxiety about wearing a seatbelt and is transported to jail. Officers note how bold the theft was.
Anxiety with seatbelts. I'm saying if it happened, it happened on me.
Some mosquitoes are a monster out here.
That right there, you can't tell as much, but yesterday it was about like that, and it was a wasp.
Ugh.
Taking the guy's theft report, and he lifts up the hood, and he's like, yeah, whoever took it's bold. There was a wasp nest up under here. And I'm sitting there like, oh, okay, well, let me get the van. As soon as I get the van, it goes.
Thank you for watching. Legal situations always make us cautious and thoughtful. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next interesting videos. See you in the next video. Share your thoughts on this incident. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more engaging stories. Thank you for watching.